How to send crypto on Kraken. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll be showing you the ways to send crypto on Kraken. So in order to send crypto on Kraken, all you have to do is just log in into your account first of all, and make sure to copy the wallet address of the receiver. So after that, you need to go ahead and tap the fundings icon, and as you do that, it's going to take you to this page where you need to go ahead and select withdraw from the bottom right hand side corner. Next page, you need to go ahead and select the asset that you wish to transfer or that you wish to send. Then enter in the exact amount that you wish to transfer, paste in the wallet address that you've recently copied, and then confirm all of these transactions or review the information. If you're done with that, then click the withdraw button located right at the bottom. And lastly, you'll be able to see a confirmation as you tap on it. And if you're sure about withdrawing, then click on withdraw. And as you're done with that procedure, it's going to take at least 15 to 10 minutes in order to complete the procedure. And you'll be notified with a statement that you've successfully sent crypto on Kraken. So that's how you can send crypto on Kraken. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.